Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around looking for a Ram. This is the 2014, the Ram 1500. Stock number is 7148. Now let's take a look at this virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this Ram up close and personal, as opposed to just looking at those boring static photos. Even though some people prefer that, but this is giving you a better reality of the condition of this truck. 4x4 edition, of course, dual exhaust. It's got the tonneau covering, of course, to keep your possessions in private. And let's take you and show you the interior here. Power windows, locks, cruise tilt. Look at the moonroof. Fully loaded truck, low miles. And if you're traveling with guests, maybe family or friends, got ample legroom and a very comfortable ride in the rear. For more information on this truck or any other trucks that we have in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and earn your business. You just get more at Sunset Ford. This is Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.